one of the most unique waterfalls in Africa. Many people have been asking me to give a detailed view of the Lobe River and waterfalls since my last upload. So there you go, people. Let me give you a treat of the Lobe River and waterfalls. I do not know exactly the starting point of the river, but you can visibly trace it here from this bridge, as you can see on this signpost. And from here it flows into the waterfalls and then directly into the ocean. So there are two roads to get to the Lobe Waterfalls. This one right here will take you to the other end of the waterfalls. But we didn't use this road, we used the road that is after the bridge over the Lobe River. From the beginning the road seems fine, but halfway through it is not pleasing. You can really see how shaky my images are. If you are coming with a car, you should drive really carefully, but it shouldn't be much of a problem if you're on a bike. Do not even try walking on foot because the road is kind of long. And so here we are, La Chute de la Lobe. I am basically enjoying the scenery here while the driver looks for a good spot to park. The beauty and uniqueness of the Lobe Waterfalls is that it comprises of a series of waterfalls that flows directly into the Atlantic Ocean, cracking down rugged rocks with the highest fall measuring 20 meters in height. This place is a fine tourist attraction to many, both locals and foreigners. Lobe Waterfall, ladies and gentlemen. And if you come to this tourist attraction, here are some of the things you would see and things you should try out. Here at the Lobe Waterfall, it is common to see persons selling sculptures and paintings of artisanal products, like this man selling a sculpture of a canoe. Another common thing to find here is the sales of coconut juice. It is sold at 500 francs, mostly by young boys trying to make a living. You can enjoy your coconut juice while engaging in a good chat with good company, or you can savor it while enjoying the aesthetics of the Lobe Waterfalls.
Yes, arrange one for me. Put the stick.
You should not leave this tourist attraction without enjoying the amazing seafood sold here by the restaurant owners. A taste of the prawns and different fishes served is enough to keep the Lobe Waterfalls in your memory forever.
Will you finally do a video report with what you are doing?
So after having a good meal and a sip of the coconut juice, it is time for us to enjoy a boat ride. This is another exciting activity to add to your experience so you can have a closer view of the Lobe Waterfalls. The cost of a boat ride here ranges from 500 to 1,000 francs per person. But if they discover you are new to the place and not familiar with the price, they may charge you 2,000 francs up to 10,000 francs per person. Before getting closer to the waterfalls, the boat drivers will give you a little view of the ocean and the other side of this tourist place. And if we had taken the other road I mentioned at the beginning of this video, then we would have been at this other side here. And so here we are, the magnificent Lobby Waterfalls. You should hold your phone carefully when filming because in case of any mistake, you know what will happen.
Enjoy. Beautiful. Beautiful landscape. Beautiful. Yeah, this is Cameroon.
After that exciting experience, take out time to relax in this suspended swinging net, referred to as hammock in proper English.
This is how life in Kribi looks like in the south region of Cameroon. It is a citadel of tourism right here. You should come to the south region and have a taste of the tourist potentials that Cameroon has. Of course, we're right here beside the ocean and the magnificent Lobe River and the Lobe Waterfall for you to come feast your eyes on our tourism potentials. And of course, we do not reiterate to you that right here in the south region, we have a melange of the Sawa and the Bangbeti. But right here we are within the ocean, within the shores, the coastline. But when you go to the forest side, definitely you will see the pygmies and all those, the forest people. But right about now, we are here at the ocean, enjoying the ocean view. Welcome to Kribi!
So that is it for the Lobby Waterfalls. This place is worth every penny spent. Thank you for following me through this journey, guys. Please do well to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more travel and cultural content. My name is Javi Kitty. Bye bye.